How Ìwòrì Méjì became a strong Ifa priest. After he became rich, everyone else began to envy him. Then he went for divination to an awo named Àtàrí Ògbìgbó mu araye bi oje. The peak or tip of a Tiokan's mouth is as strong as lead. The awo advised him to make a sacrifice with a strong ram to the elders of the night and a billy goat to Isu. He made both sacrifices. After the sacrifice, the elders of the night worked on him for 7 nights to turn him into a strong and invincible man. On the 7th day, they gave him 4 eyes with which he could see at night. Simultaneously, Isu also invited the strong men of the day to prepare him for 7 days. On the 7th day, they gave Ìwòrì 4 eyes with which to see anything that happened during the day. This is why he is considered the strongest Olódù of both day and night, which eventually made him more powerful than the kings of the day, Ahyogbe, and of the night, Yaku.